So, you need something to cheer you up? Well, I know what.
Yeah.
Some plants make me happy. So, let's make a greenhouse. What is a greenhouse again?
A greenhouse is an area where it is warmer and has more moisture. This is how we can cultivate seeds. So what do you need to grow seeds?
I think you need sun, air, water, and dirt.
That's right. Those are the four elements. Those are the four elements. Good. Okay, let's get started. What do you need?
So you need parchment paper to get started, and scissors, tape, and water.
Yes. What else?
We are going to open up our greenhouse. So, we'll have 3 chopsticks, dirt, seeds.
Can you hold it up?
Seeds. On a plastic bag, and some string, and a pot, and a tray.
Good.
Okay, so first what we're going to do is we are going to pour the water in the dirt, and I'm going to ask for help. But it's going to be 2 to 4 cups.
Okay, 2 to 4 cups. Here we go. You ready? Get it nice and wet. Okay, you might have to keep adding. Okay, shut it.
Okay.
Make sure you shut it.
Here, I'm going to air it out a little bit.
And then she's going to massage it until it's clumpy. Nice
Do you
job.
want to try?
Sure. Oh yeah, that looks nice and clumpy. I think that we could probably add just a little bit more water.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and shut that and then massage it. Yep, don't poke a hole in the bag.
I think it's ready.
Hey, let's look. Oh, wow, that's nice. So I'm going to turn it upside down. Do you see how it kind of clumps together now? That's what you want. You don't want, you want it all to be wet. That's a great job, Ariana.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, kiss your brain.
Make sure you guys kiss your rain too.
You bet.
So,
Over
now I have help.
Yeah, let's clear this off first so we can be on parchment paper. Okay, now don't forget about the tray.
Oh, yes.
So put the tray underneath.
So we're going to put the tray underneath.
Yep. And you take a handful.
I'm going to just take a handful.
Yep.
And set it right there. Okay, it's okay to get a messy hand, as always. Okay. And just push down. Okay.
Nice.
So now, I am going to cut the seeds, but you don't want that to, the name of the flower that you have.
Can you show us the?
Like, don't cut it off.
Yeah, keep the name.
Yeah.
So these are called
Sweet peas.
sweet peas, and she's not going to cut the yellow because we need to keep the name.
So, let's see here. Let's cut it open. Takes a second. And we don't want it all in a clump in the middle, or else they'll grow together. But you want it spread out. So let's spread them out. I need to spread. I see like those 2 are together, those 3 are together. So now, I actually don't need my whole handful, but just sprinkle a little bit of the dirt. But you don't want it so then they can't breathe still, the seeds.
So you don't want it too deep. You're just trying to cover the seeds.
It's basically if you go in the swimming pool, you don't want to go too deep, but you still want to go deep.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So.
Now let's tape the seed
The
packet.
seed.
Why don't you go wash your hands and I'll tape it for him.
Okay.
You just want to tape the outside because if you do this with other seeds and you write with a marker, the marker won't stay. So I like to just tape the seed packet so I can remember which seeds these are. Because if you have like, say, 5 greenhouses, it's kind of hard to remember what flower is which. Okay, got it.
So now, we're going to take our plastic bag, and you can dampen your fingers.
It's hard to open sometimes, so she got her fingers wet. Scoot back over so you're in the shot. There you go. Yep, and then it's easy to open.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I'm just going to put it.
Yep, go ahead. I'm just going to move this.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm just going to put it. Oh, I forgot one step.
Yes, one very important step
is to make 4 to 5 holes in here in your bag. And I also forgot 2 steps actually. So you want 5 to 6 holes.
And it's in the bottom of the bag.
Yeah. Not in the top.
Yep.
No, that would not be good to have it up in the top.
And be very careful not to poke yourself.
Yes. Okay. So I got those. And now with your 3 chopsticks, push it all the way to the down.
To the bottom.
So if you only do like that much of a chunk down, then it's going to just fall over. So push it all the way.
So if it's like this, it's just gonna fall over. But if it's all the way down, it'll be stabilized.
Yeah.
Good.
So 1, 2, and 3.
Nice.
And make sure you don't put it in the middle or together on the side. Make sure it's spread out. And now we're going to put it over. And I'm going to have that one go to the edge. And now I'm going to ask for help to bring that one over.
We're going to fold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fold it in the back side. And then we're going to tie it.
Yep, 1 second. Okay, go ahead.
And this is a project to do with your parents. Don't do it by yourself.
It's really hard to tie by yourself. Okay, let go.
Yeah, there we go. Because if your parents come home from work or something, then they'll scream probably at you.
No, they won't scream. So why do we need to tie it?
So then the plastic bag doesn't fall over.
And are we trying to get it really tight inside of here so that it stays moisture? Because remember, our climate is, we're trying to make it warmer.
Yeah.
And we're trying to keep the moisture that's in the soil moist.
Moist, yeah.
Okay. Now what do we do?
So now what we do,
Where do we put it?
we put it in a shiny window.
Okay, sunny window.
Sunny.
Sunny window.
Or you may put it outside if it's warm. But if I did this in the winter, no, that's not.
Yep. Okay, and so then I'm going to step in real quick. And I'm going to tell you, too, that, 1 second for this. So when you decide to take this off and the plants are growing and it looks really nice and they're healthy, you just want to place this outside and untie the string, but don't take off the plastic because it has to acclimate to the climate outside.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
What's acclimating?
Acclimate means trying to make it the same. So right now the seeds are going to be nice and warm, and it's actually like 50 degrees outside right now, but it's more like 80 degrees in there.
Yeah.
So once it warms up really warm, then these can grow outside. Does that make sense? Okay, do you want to go do the camera real quick to make sure I'm taller than you? Okay, the other part about this is if you get really excited, you don't need all this equipment. All you need is all you need is a milk jug, and you're going to ask your parents to cut all the way around except keep your handle. And then you'll put holes in the bottom, your parent will put holes in the bottom, You're gonna put the wet soil in here, the seeds, then you're gonna shut it and you're gonna tape it shut. That's your greenhouse. So one of the ones that we did do about 2 weeks ago is zinnias. And so we had this taped, I took the tape off, and now look. So these are almost ready to be climatized to South Dakota, but not yet. We're gonna keep this on, and they need to grow just a little bit more. All right, so that's it for our wonderful greenhouse. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and I can't wait to see pictures of your flowers. All right, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and put stop. See ya. Kiss your brain. Kiss your brain.